Yeah. We have what is the thing called as Propel Labs in our R&D. These Propel Labs concept has come in to ensure that our first semester to 8th semester student of any branch as well as postgraduate students will not only hear about R&D, but they will also do some work towards R&D. The problems what they will be taking up are based on their own interest. They can pick up their problems and we help them to nurture these problems and find solutions to these problems. I would like to go through what are the Propel Labs we have, and the focus will be here. We have Propel Lab 1 is the robotics. We have Propel Lab 2 is 3D printing. Propel Lab 3 is aerospace, and SAI Formula 1 car. And then project based learning is Propel Lab 5, and energy based systems is Propel Lab 6. These are the 6 Propel Labs what the students can make use of. I'll quickly go through what the students do. This is the Formula 1 race, and this is the thing what our students have designed and fabricated, a battery based car that has been supported by REVA, and they have won laurels to this particular project. The second one what I would like to talk to you is something to do with our aerospace, which is Propel Lab 3. The aerospace lab what you are seeing over here, that particular aero model is a model which we use it for training our students to make use of radio controllers to run and pilot the aircraft autonomously, and that's what we try to do over here. And in the same Propel Lab we have, these are all the controllers, radio controllers what we have, and these controllers are 8 channel, 16 channel and 32 channel controllers which control the various aspects of flight of an aircraft when it is a fixed wing aircraft. And then we also, our students design what are called as quadcopters, and this is totally designed by our students, and they take care of the complete design, development and flight, successful flight remotely of these things. And they carry various sensors, like it can be a video sensor or it can be photographic sensors and so on and so forth, and they can do a lot of jobs. And quickly I will just do how our students get the training here. And this is a simulator of aircraft and how it is taxied and how it is airborne and how it is flown and how it is landed. And all those simulation can be carried out in this particular thing. There is also one more software which we use to train our students to make use of all our controllers, the radio controllers what you have. That simulation also can be carried out here before the actual flight of our fixed wing aircraft happens. Then continuing with our Propel Lab concepts, we have what is called as Propel Lab 5, where it is a project based learning, and that project based learning is purely driven by the industry, in particular Wipro. And our students and staff take part in a big way, which leads to R&D activities in this particular case. And already I have told you, this is the joystick what controls the software here, and it is the simulator which gives the flight of an aircraft. And then we have various types of activities that goes on is printed in this pamphlet in that aerospace and other activities, and anybody interested can take it and then go by that. And this is the small video what we have taken up, and this is the structure of this car what we usually take part in various activities. And then we will come into this particular part. I would request to have a demo of one of the thing, but otherwise this is a 3D printer what you are seeing. You can see here there is a 3D printer what is there, and our students make all these components for their end usage, and this is printed in our own 3D printers in our laboratories, and these are all for research activities. And then the student who has done that, the same thing is being designed and fabricated by him, and then that is the one what is there, the last one what you are having, and that's the one what you have. Can you move little? Yeah. And then we have the Propel Lab 1 what we have, and what you are seeing here, these are the facilities what we have for our students to design and develop their own robots. And these robots are the ones what our students put their mind into, and they are very creative in doing that. This will lead to what we call it as our R&D activities, and also make awareness about R&D, innovation, entrepreneurship, among our youngsters right from the day they enter into the campus of BMS College of Engineering. And that is what I would like to tell you. And ultimately, our students should become an entrepreneur. The last thing before I close down is what our Prime Minister have in his mind. Country is not only a good place to do business, but also it's a good place to do R&D activities, and that's what we are driving at. And thank you very much.